Donaudampfschifffahrts Elektrizitäten-Hauptbetriebswerk Bauunterbeamtengesellschaft. Today I want to talk to you about something very important, the German alphabet. There are a few reasons why it's really important to learn the German alphabet when you start learning German. So learning the German alphabet is going to make pronunciation so much easier because every word in German is spoken out exactly the same way it's spelled, if you know how to say the vowels and consonants and all the letters. So learning the alphabet along with pronunciation of the letter combinations, you won't be able to say anything in German, even the really, really long word strings, like with 1,000,000 characters long, that seem impossible to pronounce. You'll be able to say those. So everything is spoken just the way it's spelled. It's not like English where you have to deal with silent letters and everything's spoken differently, even though it's the same letter combinations. No. You don't have any of that to deal with in German. Once you learn the ABCs in German, you'll be able to pronounce things very easily. You can sound out the words very clearly, and you'll be able to sound out the cognates. So these are words that are kind of the same in German and English. Maybe they're spelled identically, maybe they're almost identical. These are cognates. So there's 26 letters in the German alphabet, just like in the English alphabet. There's also vowels, 3 of them with umlauts. A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut. And 1 ligature, the SZ. But those don't really count as their own letters. So let's get started. We'll go through each letter and I'll give you an example of a word that's either the same or almost the same in German and English, but of course it's going to be pronounced differently. It's going to sound different. It might not even sound like the same word, but it is. So let's start building that language foundation, learning the German alphabet. A. A wie das Alphabet. A. B. B wie die Banane. B. C. C wie der Computer. C. D. D wie digital. D. E. E wie elegant. E. F. F wie der Film. F. G. G wie die Garage. G. H. H wie die Hand. H. I. I wie die Information. I. J. J wie der Job. J. K. K wie das Casino. K. L. L wie der Laptop. L. M. M wie das Marketing. M. N. N wie der Name. N. O. O wie die Olive. O. P. P wie der Pilot. P. Q. Q wie das Quiz. Q. R. R wie regional. R. S. S wie das Signal. S. T. T wie das Taxi. T. U. U wie universal. U. V. V wie das Vitamin. V. W. W wie die Wanderlust. W. X. X wie das Xenon. X. Y. Y wie das Yoga. Y. Z. Z wie das Zebra. Z. Now you know all the letters of the German alphabet. It'd be that much easier to move on to pronunciation of letter combinations, vowel combinations, consonant combinations, you name it, that's coming up next. So don't miss the next video. Like and subscribe for some more easy German learning tips. If you want to practice the German alphabet more, head on over to my website. I've got audio recordings of each letter, and you can read through and do some exercises, get everything solidified what you learned today.